Hi, my name is Damon Reel with loanbids.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about a special trip that we're going to be taking this weekend to visit some of the top private lenders at a conference in Scottsdale to get you the very best rates and fees. So stick with me. If you like what you hear, hit the like or subscribe button, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So, loanbiz.com, if you don't already know this, is a platform that allows lenders to compete for your deals. So, as a part of that, we have to have strong lenders participating, on our platform. So, we're going out to Scottsdale this weekend and early next week to meet with some of our top lenders to try to get you some better rates and fees, higher loan amounts, and some of those lenders include folks like RCN, folks like Constructive Lending, folks like Temple Views, folks like Civic. So all of those lenders compete for your loans on our Loan Bids platform. And we have some special pricing because we have a lot of volume that we deliver to the marketplace. So we can get you better deals sometimes than even if you went to those lenders directly. So let's just talk about it for a minute. Where's the market right now? So let's talk about rental loans because we do most of our deals are rental loans, either singles or portfolios. And right now, the lenders that I'm talking to are saying, rates are about ready to tick up a little bit. The ability to buy it down into the threes is likely going away soon. So here's where we are right now. So based on our special pricing for rental loans, if you've got a credit score above 700, we can still get you a 30-year fixed rate, likely in the mid to high 4% range. And again, that's without any buy downs, that sort of thing. And so if you want to buy it down, we could still buy it down into the high threes, and 4%, around 4% is where most of the lender floors are. So that's still really good. We are getting notifications that some of our lenders are going to be issuing new pricing here, maybe as early as this week. So if you've got properties that you're looking to lock in 30-year fixed financing on, try to get those applications in as soon as possible. We're trying to get the lenders to honor those applications that are submitted before their pricing changes. So again, work with us, get that deal in process. And again, I'm not thinking that rates are going to go up huge amounts. Maybe, a 1/4% is kind of what we're feeling. And in that particular case, maybe that rate goes from, 4.5 to 4.75 or 4.75 to 5% on those 30-year fixed. So again, not a huge amount, but meaningful for you if you're locking in 30-year fixed financing and want to lock in those cash flows, for 30 years. So that's that's an update on the 1 to 4 units. We also have been working on some special pricing for multifamily. And in these particular cases, what we're talking about is a property that has 5 or more residential units. Most of our lenders that do rental loans can do up to 20 properties, maybe some of them up to 30 units in one properties, 20 to 30 units in a multifamily. And in those particular cases, we're getting rates just a little bit higher than the rental rates, maybe 0.5%, maybe 1% higher, but you're still in the 5 to high 5% range for nice multifamily on a 30-year fixed, locking it in and locking in those cash flows. So that's multifamily. I would tell you that mixed use and commercial is still a little bit of a struggle. A lot of the lenders, if they can do it at all, are going to require that the residential component be 50% or more of the total property square footage. So there's a lot of lenders that can do those, and those will be at pretty good rates. But if your commercial component is more than 50%, that typically now has to go to a traditional commercial lender. We've got those options. Those rates still are not where we would like them. They're still in the 6-ish, maybe even 7% range for 30-year fixed, but Again, hopefully, that commercial space will come more into favor as as we get further and further past this pandemic wave. So again, it just kind of gives you an idea of where things are. So for rental loans and portfolios, we're still in the 4.5% to 5% range for 30-year fixed without a buy down. Still buying down to around 4-ish. For the multifamilies, you're probably looking in the 5 to 5.5% range for a lot of our multifamily, unless you want to do agency, which again will be down in the fours. Um, and then lastly, commercial ones are still in that 6 to 7% range. So we have all those options. Again, we're going to this conference to try to get you better, but I think we have the best rates and fees available in the marketplace. We rarely, if ever, get beaten on pricing. And if you've got a deal, give us a try. I just asked for one deal. If you like what you see, most of our volume comes from repeat clients. So give us a try on one deal. I think you'll be impressed. I think you'll see that we save you time and money. And, give us a call at 636-552-4710, or simply go to loanbids.com. That's loanbids with a Z. And put in your loan scenario, and one of our account executives will get with you promptly. So until next time, everyone stay warm, everyone stay safe, and we'll talk to you next time.